Well, if everything's going to plan,
We've already seen this car black.
we have to buy a new car.
Mercedes E240.
The W210 Chassis Club. Look, it's all green. It's not going to be green for long. On the last parts of sanding the car down, and then we are going to paint this bad boy. Just need to get wee Bob to do all the work first, because it saves me effort. And I'm the cameraman, I can't get dusty. That's like a, it's like a rule, I'm sure. Isn't it? Yeah, well, I'm saying it's a rule. Oh, look, it looks nice. Nice and ruined. Day 2. Car's painted, but we cheaped out in masking tape, and the result is we're now still picking off masking tape. We spent 2 hours last night after we finished painting trying to get all the tape off, and we gave in last night because it was getting cold, it was dark, and we just wanted to get Chinese food and beer. So now we are picking off in the rain. So it's just finished raining. Probably going to rain some more, but we just need to get this tape off because it just makes the car look dirty and awful. And
Got a big bit.
yay! And our nails are gone. Bob's already broken a nail, and that was a traumatic experience. My nails are just dirty. I feel like I'm a teenage girl right now.
I'm also sunburned to hell from last night or yesterday.
It's keeping him warm at least, because he never wore a hat. It's just like wee bits. It's just annoying, especially now it's wet. It's no.
If I could take you up in paradise like the ocean, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, sugar, hello, meet again. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like the ocean, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, sugar, hello, meet again.
New day, new thing to do.
Yes, sticker.
We're number 16 this time. Maybe we're going to be number 2 in another trip. Who knows? Sticker day today. Not going to bore you with all the stickers,
We
but
don't even need to look at the guide to see what stickers
yeah, I
are.
know that we've done too many of these trips, so we just need to, we know exactly where the stickers go now. I don't know if that's sad or cool.
If I could take you up in paradise like the ocean, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, sugar, hello, meet again.
The car is stickered.
If I could take you up in paradise like the ocean, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.